Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the real cost of living in Pennsylvania. Whether you're planning to move here or just curious, stick around because you're about to get all the deets. First off, let's talk about housing. Now, if you're eyeing a place to rent, the average cost for a one-bedroom apartment in the city is around $1,200 per month. But if you're heading out to the suburbs, you might snag a place for about $900. Buying a home? The median home price is roughly $300,000. Not too shabby compared to some other states. Now, onto utilities. Expect to shell out about $150 a month for basics like electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage. Internet? That's roughly another $60. So, factor in around $210 monthly for all those essentials. Groceries. You can't live without them. On average, a single person spends about $300 a month on groceries in Pennsylvania. And trust me, you'll find plenty of local markets and stores to get fresh produce and all your goodies. Let's not forget transportation. If you're driving, gas prices hover around $3.50 per gallon. Public transportation like buses and trains is super convenient and costs about $70 for a monthly pass. Of course, if you're living in a bigger city, you might even get away with not having a car at all. Healthcare is another biggie. If you're getting insurance through your employer, you might pay around $300 a month. But remember, this can vary based on your coverage. Next up, entertainment and dining out. A night out at a nice restaurant might set you back $50 per person. Movie tickets are around $12 each. And if you're into fitness, a gym membership will cost you about $40 monthly. Education, for those of you hitting the books, Pennsylvania has some great schools. Public schools are generally well rated, and if you're looking at college, in-state tuition can be a real money saver compared to out-of-state fees. Alright, let's wrap it up. Living in Pennsylvania can be pretty affordable, especially if you're smart about your choices. Remember, these are just averages and your actual expenses might be higher or lower depending on your lifestyle. So, what do you think? Is Pennsylvania calling your name? Drop a comment below and let me know if you'd consider living here and what other states you're curious about. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next one.